Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ernie. Today's video, I'm gonna show you how to do the VCI or how to get the VCI map using Google Earth engines. And today we will use dataset from Sentinel-2. So we will get the spatial resolution is around 10 meters, so it's very high spatial resolutions. But first I will give an overview about the VCI. uh, First, what is VCI? VCI, or the Vegetation Condition Index, is a drought monitoring tools that evaluates current vegetation health by comparing the current normalized different vegetation index or NDVI to its historical range of minimum and maximum value for the same time period. And what is the formula of VCI? VCI is actually is in a percent or yes. So here we will multiply with 100. The NDVI in that image minus NDVI minimum in that range, that time we will use, divided with the NDVI maximum minus NDVI minimum. This one is based on the Kogan 1990. And as I mentioned before, the PCI is expressed in percent and gives an idea where the observed value is situated between the extreme value or minimum and maximum in previous years. Lower and higher values indicate bad and good vegetation state condition respectively. And various VCA varies from 0 for extreme unfavorable condition to 100 for optimal. So based on this table, we can see the category uh, from 0 to 100. 0 to 10 defined as extreme drought, and 10 to 20 is severe drought, and 20 to 30 is moderate drought, and 30 to 40% is light drought, and from 40 or greater than 40%, so we can say it's no drought. And the applications of these indices is first for the drought monitoring, that we will uh, that I will show you today. And for agricultural assessment, it's help in assessing the impact of drought on agriculture, and the ecological assessment. It helps to separate weather related impact on vegetation from underlying ecological conditions. That's little about the VCI. Let's jump to the code, Google Earth engines. First, you should sign in this platform. After you sign in, you can go to the code editor. In the code editor, you can write your code here. But first, you should sign in. Sorry, you should define your ROI. Today, I will use ROI in my country, Indonesia, Demak Regency. And yes, you can first, you should make it as a center object with the scale of zone, for example, 11. Just run it, and after that you can go to the Sentinel 2. Today we will use from Sentinel 2. This dataset is available from 2011, sorry, 2017 until now. and the spatial resolutions is around 10 meters. So we will use the first step. We should calculate the NDVI. After you have the NDVI value, uh, and then you can calculate the VCI using this formula. So we will use band number 8 with 10%, 10 meters resolutions, and band number 4, Nair minus red for NDVI formula. And if you want to know about this dataset detail, you can read in the description menu. And just make a variable here, for example, Sentinel-2, similar with the, just copy this snippet and go to the code editor and then do the filter date, for example, with time start, comma, and time end, and then do the filter bound with your ROI and do the filter clouds. So we will use the cloud cover less than 30%, and you should define your time start, for example 2017, and variable for time end, 24 12 31. And if you want to know how many data set that you have in this period, just print Sentinel-2 here, and how many data set it will be you can find in the console menu. So here for my ROI, I have 166 images here from 2000. Okay, my ROI is from 2018 July to 2024. And so here I will do the I will try to calculate the NDVI uh, in every image using the formula of the NDVI is NIR minus red divided with NIR plus red. And I will copy the properties here is using the time start. So the properties we will use is here is time start. And after that, I will apply the calculations of NDVI, these functions, to every image in the Sentinel-2 collection and select the this band NDVI. And after that, I will try to find the NDVI minimum and the NDVI maximum. So here for NDVI minimum, I will try to find in Sentinel-2 NDVI collection and get the value is minimum, and for maximum, I will use this function. And After that, I will compute the VCI here. I try to make a function again and do the looping in every image here with the formula that I have already showing you in the PPT is the NDVI minus NDVI minimum divided with the NDVI maximum minus NDVI minimum, and we'll multiply it with 100 to get the value in percents. And I will rename that's all uh, with the name is PCI, and use the properties, copy of properties from this image is a system time start. And after that, I will try to classifications. Uh, but yes, every class for VCI, this VCI, with this that I have already shown you with this category 0 to 10%, 10% to 20, and so on. So here I have already make a code for that category and make a loop this all category to this VCA uh, image and get the VCA class. And after that, I will try to visualizations the map using the mode value. So VCA class, this class, I will get the mode value. And this one is for the visualizations of the VCA with the mode value. And just run it. And after a few moments, it will be showing the VCI value of Sentinel-2 using the mode value. Okay, maybe need a little time. Yeah, need a little times. But yes, here after yeah, we will wait. But here I want to explain about after that I tried to export it to the G drive, my drive, Google Drives, using this code. You can use if you want to use maybe the scale for 10, you can use because the this spatial resolution actually around 10 meters, but here I will use 20 meters. And yes, that's about. And here actually I try to calculate the area of the VCI for every class using this code. Okay, now it's already showing for us. Okay, in this map you can see that yes, most of the area is yellow color. It means yes, no drought there. Only these red colors, it's showing the drought area. Just run it again, and in the console you will find the chart. This chart for drought area, it will be showing here. Okay, need a little time. Okay, now it's already showing to us that for no drought area is yes, the mode value here, and this one is for no drought too, and this one is for light drought. It's showing green colors. It's around 45 kilometers, because here we divide the area with the power of 6, and this area for moderate drought is around 77 kilometers, and for the severe drought is around 29 kilometer. Actually, if it will be good if you know the area of the agricultures. Maybe next time I will showing you how to get the area, only the agriculture area, and apply this code, so we will get the actual drought in the agriculture area. Thank you. That's all from my side today, and I hope you can learn something from this video. And if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment. And if you, yes, need a code, you can write in the comment too. Thank you, and see you in the next video.